my head mount for the first time.
They say it takes 1 hour to go to the top.
If you walk slowly.
If you walk slowly.
If you run, it'll take 30 minutes.
Which you can't run because the steps are so huge.
Steps only go.
Holy shit. A lot of steps, guys. Not to mention, we have our knee guards.
Jacket, helmet, shoes,
Boots.
We've not even reached the top, but to give you guys a view of how far above we are, there are our bikes. Yeah, there. And we have not even reached the top yet.
Go.
Let's start one more time.
Yes. This time with energy because we just had water. Yeah. Oh, the more you start climbing, you just become exhausted. Should we just remove the jackets?
It will be difficult to carry it now.
Holy shit.
We are so tired right now. Can't even talk without panting. And I don't think even we are halfway through also. And to make matters worse, Mr. Sun
Just came out.
he's in full force now, making it really difficult for us.
Yeah.
Such a long way to go. But careful. More stairs, lo. There are more stairs. There's one entrance there.
Dude, these steps are even.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ವಾರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
Maybe that is why they designed it like this.
ವೆಪನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋಕ್ಕ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ.
Imagine ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ.
Little more distance that we have to cover, but right now we're super exhausted. We've removed all our gear.
Show here. You can see
everything. And anyone doing this, please don't come here in summer. Don't make the mistake that we did.
Make sure you
please
make sure you have no knee guards and jacket and all that. Come in
and
shorts.
We have only 1 liter of water bottle, and that we are somehow surviving with. It's almost over, so we are in trouble there also. there's a last fleet of stairs that we have to climb to get to the top of this fort.
Nothing is there. Dude, they don't have water, dude.
Okay, so we reached the top. It took about, I think, exactly 1 hour to reach. We've stopped for, I think we stopped around 4 to 5 times on the way. The climb is really challenging. It really tests your fitness, stamina, all that. But once you get on top, the view is really worth it. And now I'm all tired. I don't know, I've just fallen. The sun is beating down, but I just don't care. I'm that much exhausted. I really want some rest before going down. So you can't take heat no longer. You make do with what's available. Finally, we made it back down.
Finally, and my legs are shivering. Look at that.
And actually, to see the real height of how high we were, not bad. We had been all the way there.